In this video, you will see how to write inside a circle in Microsoft Word document. Let's get started. Let us go to the Insert, go to Shape, pick a oval shape and hold down the Shift key to make it a proper circle and drag it over here like this. Here you will see a additional tab has been appeared. You can change the shape fill color from here, or you can make it no fill color. If you want to give a shape outline, go to shape outline and select the color of your choice. And if you want to increase the white, change the white from here. Now if you want to add the text inside the circle, there are two ways. Let us click on over here, click on right button, click on add text and go to home and select the font color to black color and write here circle. You can increase the font size and you can make it bold. There is another way. Let me remove this. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box and drag it over here and write here your text. Select the text box, go to Shape Outline, make it no outline and place it like this. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.